So what is an emotion? So there tends to be this pessimistic outlook that even though we've made a lot of progress in the sciences, we don't actually know what an emotion is. And I think this pessimism is unwarranted. And I think the reason for this pessimism is there's a debate about what's necessary or what's essential for an emotion. But put that issue aside, I think we know the kinds of things which are important to have an emotion. So we know which parts of your brain are relevant. We know the kinds of expressions that are there. So which muscles are moving in your face, for example. What happens in terms of your body, which parts are aroused. So your hands start to sweat, your heart starts to beat really fast. And we roughly know that the kinds of feelings you have and how those feelings might be directed at events or objects which you're emotionally responding to or which you're emotionally thinking about in a way. So I think there's all these things which are relevant for an emotion. So I think to say that we don't know what emotions are, that's wrong. I think we roughly know the kinds of things which are relevant.
Get more from the Open University. Check out the links on screen now.